Myself K. Pravalika. My reach number 212H1A3072. Now I am discussing about graph and basic terminologies of graph. First, what is graph? A graph G consists of a set of vertices or nodes and a set of edges. We write G of V comma E. V is a finite and non-empty set of vertices. E is a set of pair of vertices. These pairs are called as edges. Therefore, V of G, read as V of G, is a set of vertices, and E of G, read as E of G, is a set of edges, and hence E equal to V of W is a pair of vertices V and W, and to be incident with V and W. A graph can be pictorial represented as follows. We have numbered the graph as 1, 2, 3, 4. Therefore, V of G is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, and E of G is equal to 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 2, 3, 2, 4. Next, basic terminologies of graph. First, unidirected graph. An undirected graph is that in which the pair of vertices representing the edges is unordered. Next one, directed graph. And directed graph is that in which each edge is an unordered pair of vertices, that is, each edge is represented by a directed pair. It is also referred to as a diagraph. Third one, complete graph. An n-vertex undirected graph with exactly n into n minus 1 by 2 edges is said to be complete graph. The graph G is said to be a complete graph. Next, techniques for graphs. The fundamental problem concerning graphs is the reachability problem. In its simplest form, it requires us to determine whether there exists a path in the given graph G plus V comma E, such that this path starts at vertex V and ends at vertex U. A more general form is to determine for a given static vertex V6 all vertex U such that there is a path from it U. This problem can be solved by starting at vertex V and systematically searching the graph G for vertex that can be reached from V. We describe two such methods for this: breadth first search and traversal, depth first search and traversal. First, breadth first search and traversal. Breadth first search. In breadth first search, we start at vertex V and mark it as having been reached. The vertex V at this time is said to be unexplored. A vertex is said to have been explored by an algorithm when the algorithm has visited all vertices adjacent from it. All unvisited vertices adjacent from V are visited next. These are new unexplored vertices. Vertex V has now been explored. The newly visited vertices have not been explored and are put onto the end of the list of unexplored vertices. The first vertex on this list is the next to be explored. Exploration continues until no unexplored vertex is left. The list of unexplored vertices acts as a queue and can be represented using any of the standard queue representation. In breadth first search, we start at a vertex V and mark it as having been visited. Next, the vertex V is at this time said to be unexplored. A vertex is said to have been explored by an algorithm when the algorithm has visited all vertices adjacent from it. All unvisited vertices adjacent from V are visited next. These are new unexplored vertices. Vertex V has now been explored. The newly visited vertices have not been explored and are put on the end of a list with explored vertices. The first vertex on this list is the next to be explored. Exploration continues until no unexplored vertex is left. The list of unexplored vertices operates as a queue and can be represented using any of the start queue representation. This is the algorithm of breadth first search. Here the time and space required by breadth first search, breadth first 3 on a n vertex E edge graph 1 G big O into n plus C and big O n respectively. In adjacence list is used. If adjacence matrix is used, then the bounds are big O into n square and big O of n respectively. Next, depth first search. A depth first search of a graph differs from a breadth first search in that the exploration of a vertex V is suspended as soon as a new vertex is reached. At this time, the exploration of the new vertex U begins. When this new vertex has been explored, the exploration of U contains the search terminates when all reached vertices have been fully explored. This search process is best described recursively. This is the algorithm of depth first search. Thank you.